These are not just ordinary gadgets. These are the kind of tech that replaces your phone, your gym, your wallet, and even your routine. In the next few minutes, you will see devices that feel futuristic, but they already exist and are changing everyday life. Number 12. Oura Ring 4. Your entire health tracked from your finger. The Oura Ring 4 is a clever health tracker fitted with a titanium ring design. It records sleep, heart rate, stress, recovery, and activity with the most accuracy sensors. It does adapt to your finger for greater accuracy and less data gaps. Battery lasts up to 8 days with a single charge. AI algorithms are used to process data into ready-to-go and recover scores. It connects to a mobile app requiring in-depth health information, lightweight, waterproof, and you can wear for 24/7. It's available in various sizing and styles. Sleek, high-performance health tracking device designed for your lifestyle. Number 11. Nebula Capsule 3 Laser, a cinema that fits in your hand. Anker's Nebula Capsule 3 Laser is a portable 1080p laser projector with HDR support. It will come to a play anywhere from 120 inches. It operates on the Android TV 11 and provides users access to apps such as Netflix and YouTube. Voice control is offered by built-in Google Assistant. Setting up is quick and easy with autofocus and keystone correction. It includes an 8-watt speaker for clear sound, HDMI, USB-C, and wireless casting are supported. Battery life is up to 2.5 hours in eco mode. It is lightweight and can be taken along during travel. It's perfect for movies, gaming, and presentations anywhere. Number 10. Upright Go 2. Fix your posture without thinking about it. The Upright Go 2 is a wearable posture trainer that attaches to your upper back. It uses motion sensors to detect slouching in real time. When your posture breaks, it gently vibrates to correct you instantly. It connects to a mobile app via Bluetooth for tracking progress and training plans. You can adjust sensitivity based on sitting or standing. It offers both active training and passive monitoring modes. Adhesive or necklace-style wearing options give flexibility. Over time, it trains muscle memory for better spinal alignment. It is designed to reduce back pain and improve posture habits naturally. Number 9. LARQ Bottle PureVis 2. Water that purifies as you drink. The LARQ Bottle PureVis 2 has a combination of filtration and UVC purification. It cleans the contaminants through its 2 filter technologies, Nano Zero Active Filter and UVC Light. It kills up to 99.9% of bacteria. For every 2 hours, the bottle cleans itself. It will be paired with a smartphone app that tracks your hydration, sets reminders, and provides health insights. It works with Apple Health for wellness tracking. Stainless steel body enhances water coldness for hours. The UV system is cabled to be powered with USB-C charging. It cuts plastic pollution, yet enhances water quality. Created for fitness enthusiasts, travelers, and a healthy lifestyle. Number 8. Sony WF-1000XM5. The perfect combination of studio-level audio and quiet in a single package. With dual microphones and AI sound processing, the Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds offer industry-leading noise cancellation. They prevent ambient noise while maintaining crisp and natural vocal. Lightweight and compact for long-wearing comfort. They play high-resolution audio, rich in bass and mid. AI voice isolation enhances call clarity, even in noisy environments. The battery gives life up to 8 hours and 24 hours with the case. Fast charge means an hour of playback in few minutes. Stable connection is provided by Bluetooth communication. They are top-notch earbuds designed for travel, productivity, and deep listening. 7. Jackery SolarSaga 40 watts. Use only solar energy to run devices. The Jackery SolarSaga 40 watts is an outdoor foldable solar panel. It can offer up to 23% solar efficiency and light-to-energy ratio, which means it generates solar power for cell phones, power banks, and small electronics. Easy to carry with a foldable design. It has USB output for easy porting without any additional equipment. It's waterproof up to IP68 height, resisting rain, dust, and harsh outdoor conditions. Ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency backup power. Built for durability, meant to be used in difficult conditions. Dependable source of energy away from the electrical grid for travel and survival outside. 6. Apple AirTag. Never lose your important things again. The AirTag is a compact tracking device that uses ultra-wideband UWB and Bluetooth technology. It feeds into the Find My network, which finds lost items through millions of Apple devices. Keys, wallets, or bags can be tracked on a live map. On newer iPhones, you may see exact distance and direction for precision finding. One-tap pairing for instantaneous setup. It plays nearby sound warning. Battery lasts about a year and is replaceable. It comes with robust privacy encryption and anti-tracking alerts. Stainless steel absorbent, compact compact design for durability, and convenient mounting on everyday items. 5. Wacaco Nanopresso Barista Kit. Turn any place into a coffee bar. The Wacaco Barista Kit upgrades the Nanopresso into a full portable espresso system. It adds larger water capacity, extra coffee baskets, and an improved tamper for better extraction. You can now brew double shots up to 80 to 90 milliliters per cycle. Everything is made from BPA-free durable materials, built for travel and outdoor use. It works by manually pumping pressure through coffee ground, creating rich espresso-style coffee without electricity. The kit stays compact and lightweight, perfect for camping, road trips, or office desks. It delivers cafe-level coffee anywhere with full manual control and consistent flavor output. 4. Tempo Smart Home Gym. Your personal trainer now lives inside your home. Tempo turns any room into a smart gym using 3D motion sensors and AI tracking. It monitors reps, form, and movement in real time. A built-in screen streams live and on-demand trainers who guide your workout. If your posture breaks, the system instantly corrects you. It supports strength, cardio, and full body training. AI adapts workouts based on your performance, making each session harder or easier automatically. Sensors track every rep with precision to reduce injury risk. No need for gym equipment or personal trainers. It creates a full fitness ecosystem inside your home. 3. Xiaomi Mijia Precision Electric Screwdriver, a mini tool that fixes almost everything tech. Xiaomi Mijia Electric Screwdriver is a precision repair screwdriver for electrical appliances. Features a slim aluminum shape for control and comfort. Inside, it uses a controllable torque motor that can work at 2 speeds for fine or heavy jobs. It comes with a magnetic bit that works with phones, laptops, cameras, and small gadgets. The bits are stored in a compact case for easy access. It charges via USB-C and lasts through multiple repair sessions. Lightweight design reduces hand fatigue during long work. It supports both manual and electric operation, ideal for DIY users, repair technicians, and tech hobbyists. 2. Pocketalk S break language barriers instantly anywhere. Pocketalk S is a functional device for translation in 80+ languages using cloud AI processing. Adopts dual noise-canceling microphones for clear audio capture, even from noisy environments such as streets or airports. A touchscreen enables you to toggle between voice-to-voice, voice-to-text, and camera translation of signs and documents. No phone hotspot required, as built-in LTE operates in more than 130 countries. It keeps track of a conversation and enhances accuracy by detecting a different dialect. The battery has a long life and is easy to use with just one button press. It's small, pocket-friendly, and designed for travel, business, and mobile communications around the world. 1. Humane AI Pin. A phone you don't touch anymore. The Humane AI Pin is a screen-free wearable powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. It replaces apps with voice, gestures, and AI commands. You project a laser display onto your hand for basic interaction. It supports calls, messages, translation, object recognition, and live web answers. A built-in camera and depth sensors help it understand your environment. The battery booster adds hot swappable power for full-day use. It connects via cellular, so no phone is needed. A privacy light shows when the device is active. Accessories include magnetic clips and chargers. Price starts around $699 plus subscription. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more next-level tech and futuristic gadgets. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.